back on the creek again. I got stuck into this here, and I got, I think, about a bit under 0.06 or something like that in session when I had the water in here, and I got 0.1 from day. As I might get stuck into the creek further down here, and there was really nothing in the top. So I'll take a layer off the top of that. I'll put a decaying bedrock in this, and not a lot of gravels down to that bedrock and that decay. That'll be the plan today. I'll get as much as I can get up there. So I've got a few crevice and tools and that, so I can scratch in around some of these rocks. So